After my volcano trek, I went to an amazing meditation retreat called Bali Trees. At Bali Trees, I was lucky enough to make some new friends, learn rice farming, traditional Balinese yoga, and meditation. I will say it was such an amazing 3 days and way too short. This retreat is tucked away in the mountains in a remote village with some extraordinary views and landscape. After my stay in Bali was complete, I headed back towards the airport to go link back up with Nicole, taking a flight from Bali to Yogyakarta.
I'm at the airport in Bali. I'm about to take a flight to go meet up with Nicole and check out Yogyakarta and see what it has to offer for us.
Alright, today we are going to Prambanan, a Hindu temple just outside of Yogyakarta on Java Island in Indonesia. We're going to take you guys along with us so that we can give you an idea of what to expect when traveling there.
This is the bottle. That's pretty wild.
And this is when it began. One of the most frustrating days I've ever had traveling. People coming up to you, sticking cameras in your face, not asking permission, just wanting a photograph of you. I believe the reason is because they don't see many Westerners in Yogyakarta and are shocked to see you and kind of want photographic proof you were there. This wouldn't have been an issue if it happened once or twice, but it happened so many times I lost count.
All these, the other temples in Prambanan makes me think, like, what happened to these in particular. When the Muslims came, did they destroy them? And Prambanan they happened to keep? Or is this just something that happens over time when people don't cherish what they have and try to preserve it? I don't know. But regardless, these temples are still absolutely beautiful, even in the state that they're in. Kandi Babra is named after the decrepit state it was found in, and is one of 3 Buddhist temples found on the Prambanan complex. How such a ginormous temple was actually built? What do you think?
Electronic vibrations. from Nikola Tesla's work. They levitated it up there. I'm being dead serious. This shit wasn't built way back then this good. Fuck out of here.
Oh, I mean, it's amazing what humans can do and how innovative they can be.
A lot of faith in humans. Think
I
alien interference.
I don't know. I think that we've built things that are grander and defy gravity more. So I suppose that something like this would, I don't know, logically
Be built by aliens.
not be built by aliens, Josh. Prambanan was built in the 10th century. There are 240 temples depicting the epic story of Ramayana and dedicated to the three Hindu divinities Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma.
Because of my frustration with the paparazzi constantly coming up to me for photos, I went and hid in the corner, aka found a little hiding spot where nobody could find me. When I managed to regroup with Nicole, I found something rather odd. Yes, you see the large boa constrictor the handler is smacking? Yeah, I was waiting for her to lose a hand.
It's disgusting. It's the grossest thing I've ever seen in my life. Snakes. Uh-huh.
No, this is how they normally act. Ramayana is one of two famous Hindu epic poems. It follows the quest of Prince Rama as he tries to rescue his wife Sita from King Ravana, who takes her in order to make her his wife. The Ramayana Ballet is performed with the stunning backdrop of the Prambanan Temple. The performance utilizes traditional Balinese dance, music, and costumes to bring Ramayana's story to life.
I actually really enjoyed this play, other than the fact that you had to sit on concrete seats. Just be aware, if you buy cheap tickets, you're sitting on concrete for 2 hours. And yes, that's right, I said 2 hours. This play is rather entertaining, but rather long. Pretty amazing, they actually set the stage on fire. Yogyakarta is filled with amazing graffiti artists.
Tour agency.
It's a middleman, realistically. That's all it is.
And they book rides to various sites around Java. And so we are looking at going to Borobudur tomorrow in the morning. So it'll be a little bit less crowded, just a little bit, and we can get some awesome sunrise photos. It is hot.
Noisy.
Hot today.
It's hot. I'm grateful to see the sun. It's the first time we've seen the sun in a week, but
Yeah.
it's hot, it's noisy, and I could keep going, but I'm not going to keep bitching.
And I am starving.
You have to be aware of when you're walking down the street in Indonesia, I'd say Thailand, the same thing, depending on where you are, is falling fruit. Falling fruit could literally your day up. Like, you get hit in the head by one of those, you're probably going to sleep. This is like mouth water. Water in a bottle.
This is my lime juice, and they put the sweetener on the side.
Am I allowed to drink this out of the bottle, or are you gonna yell at me?
No, don't.
I got my banana pancake here. It's obviously just a piece of flatbread with a banana in it.
No, it looks like a, you know, the ones that you got in Thailand?
Yeah. Looks similar to it. I don't know. We'll see how good it is. What you got, Nicole?
I got a veggie burger, which looks homemade, a salad, french fries, and some homemade sauce.
My banana pancake is very good. So, I'm sure her veggie burger will be very vegetarian, I guess. Whatever veggie burgers taste like. Smothering it in mayo. Typical white person. Smother it in mayo. Alright, we're sitting over here on the floor because I can't afford seats. We're at Special Sambal, and this place is amazing. Phenomenal food. You get to pick what you want. Get a little menu, hand it up. It comes out super cheap, super delicious, and we've eaten here 4 times already in the last 4 days. It's delicious. So, 4 times in the last 4 days, that should tell you something.
Squid, shrimp, and tempeh if possible, and then bean sprouts and eggplant.
Did you get my strawberry drink?
Yes, I did.
Alright. Cool. I'm good with that. Alright, here's our spread. Fried eggplant, white rice, fried squid, fried shrimp, sambal. What are these?
Bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts. Don't know what that is.
Tofu.
What's left of the chicken? We learned that the tofu over here, absolutely disgusting. Shrimp is bomb. My chicken was good, but it was missing 3/4 of the chicken. Squid's good. Eggplant is amazing. What do you think?
Bean sprouts are great too.
Bean sprouts are great. Now this here, sambal,
I don't know if you.
is where it's at. Take that, put a little bit of that on there. Delicious. And spicy. Here we go, there's the damage report. Tofu, so bad. What did you think of the tofu?
It was not good. It like soaked up all the flavors that were left in the fryer. Yeah.
Sambal though, that's delicious. Sambal. Sambal.
Sambal.
It's good. If you're ever in Yogyakarta, this is the one place I'd recommend coming. I wouldn't recommend much else, but this place.
It is 3:30 a.m. and we are to go to Borobador for sunrise. It's not even 4 yet.
Give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
like we were about to break into song.
What?
Huh?
What?
You were like, let's do it. And I was ready for a song.
Let's do it.
Hopefully people don't annoy the fuck out of me today. Hey!
Borobador is the largest Buddhist temple in the world and is estimated to have been built in the 9th century. Along with Prambanan, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple was built using 3 tiers as a physical representation of the journey to nirvana.